meetXcc AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases of the year, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Whether you're new to AI tools or you've been using them for a while, this software is making waves, and for good reason. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why meetXcc AI might just be the game changer you've been looking for. First off, let me tell you, meetXcc AI isn't just another run-of-the-mill AI tool. It combines advanced machine learning with a user-friendly interface to make tasks like content generation, automation, and customer engagement easier than ever. And the best part, you can try it out for free with the first link in the description below, so don't miss that. Now let's get into why this software is worth your attention. The first thing you need to know is that meetXcc AI shines with its ability to adapt to multiple industries. Whether you're in digital marketing, e-commerce, or customer service, this tool can streamline your workflows and automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Imagine AI that can generate personalized email content, automate responses to customer inquiries, and even help create marketing campaigns. It's designed to scale with your business, no matter the size. Next, meetXcc AI offers a ton of customization. Unlike other tools that force you into preset templates, meetXcc allows you to adjust the settings to fit your specific needs. It's like having a personal AI assistant that learns your preferences and adapts to your workflows. Whether you need tailored content for social media, blogs, or ad copy, you can fine-tune the tool to deliver exactly what you want. One of the standout features of meetXcc AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms you're already using. Think CRMs, social media schedulers, and email marketing tools. It doesn't just work in isolation, it's built to work with your existing ecosystem. This integration makes it incredibly powerful and saves you the hassle of switching between different software to get the job done. When it comes to AI, security is always a concern. With meetXcc AI, rest assured that your data is protected with enterprise-level security features. They prioritize your privacy and ensure that sensitive information stays secure, making this software a solid choice for businesses handling personal or confidential data. Now, let's talk about the learning curve. One of the best things about meetXcc AI is its user-friendly design. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find the interface intuitive and easy to navigate. Most AI software can feel overwhelming, but with meetXcc, you can hit the ground running with minimal setup. If you're wondering how well it works in real-world scenarios, the results speak for themselves. Early users have reported seeing a significant improvement in efficiency and productivity, especially in content creation and customer interaction. Whether you're automating social media posts or crafting personalized email sequences, meetXcc is a powerful tool that can save you hours of manual work. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. meetXcc AI offers a flexible pricing model with a free plan to get you started. As your needs grow, you can easily scale up with affordable premium options. It's an accessible entry point for those just starting with AI software, and it provides real value at every level of subscription. So, to wrap it up, meetXcc AI is a powerful, adaptable, and easy-to-use tool that can help you automate tasks, create content, and streamline your digital operations. The features I've mentioned are just the beginning. If you're serious about leveraging AI for your business, this software is a solid choice. You can try it for free through the link in the description below. And if you're curious about other AI tools that can boost your productivity and simplify your workflow, check out the other options I've linked in the description. After testing thousands of AI software, these are the ones I'd recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.